Alright, in this video I wanted to review with you the coordinate plane, something we have done before, but some specific stuff that we should know before we proceed. So let me try to make a typical coordinate plane. So we have 4 quadrants. We number the quadrants with Roman numerals. So this is number 1. This is number 2. So yes, I do want you to know the Roman numerals, at least the first 4, just for this reason only. So origin is the point where the two axes meet. This is the x-axis, and the vertical is, of course, the y-axis. I want you to know characteristics for any point on a specific quadrant. For example, any point on the first quadrant would have a positive x and a positive y, because anywhere in here you're going to go right and up. Any point on the second quadrant would have a negative x value and a positive y value, because you're going to have to go left and up. Any point on the third quadrant would have a negative x and a negative y, because you have to go left and down. And any point on the fourth quadrant, we're going to have a positive x and a negative y, because you have to go right and down. Anytime you're asked to graph a point, please make sure you understand that graphing a point means to plot it, so you have to put a dot to represent it. If you know the name of it, you're expected to put the name, for example, A, and so on.